Today I will be cooking a chuck roast. This is like, first time I cooked one, it was like real tough and I hated it. So I was talking to this lady at work and she was telling me that to put it on the stove first and then put it in the oven, crock pot, whatever you want to do. So this one will do. A lot of ingredients that I was looking online to see what other people using. A lot of ingredients I don't have, and I'm not going back out to go get any of that stuff. So instead of the chicken broth, instead of the beef broth, I'm using chicken broth. And then I don't have like the onion soup that people have. I have gravy, so I have this turkey gravy, so I'm gonna use that. I got some frozen green peppers, and I'm gonna be using that. I don't have no olive oil, so I gotta use vegetable oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and stand that a little bit. Some garlic salt. Say make sure you season it good because you know once it goes into the crock pot or whatever you got to do, the seasoning leaves. That was onion powder. This is onion powder. The other one was garlic powder. This is garlic pepper. I seen this one girl, she put steak seasoning on hers. I'm like, yeah, I still have it on there. Let's see. I'm gonna put some smoked paprika on it. Garlic herb seasoning. This right here has like a lot of stuff in it. I know the majority of it's ranch, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the rest of that on here. All right, now I'm going to add the meat to the hot skillet. All this seasoning out there on there. Add some butter to it. I ain't gonna lie, I want the rest of this, so I'm gonna put all of that in there. Then that's what it looks like. I ain't got that much of this in here, so I'm gonna pour that in there. I heated up the gravy in the microwave. Stir it up a little bit before I put it in there. I don't know if I want to add any green peppers and onions to it. Once it get close to done, I'm gonna add the potatoes and the carrots in it. I don't have no raw. That's what it look like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on high. Right now it is 1:30. I will check back on it, and a lot of people say cook it for, I think, 2 hours. I'm gonna check on it in an hour. After an hour, I'm gonna add these two to it. Let it cook another hour, and then check from there. All right, it is 2:30. When I tell you, this smells so good. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit.
Forgive my intrusion. I seem to forget my
Also, I'm gonna add the seasoning that I put on this roast. I'm gonna add it in here some more because I feel like I want it to be seasoned to perfection. I'm gonna do it off camera. I just went on and add the potatoes to it. I add some seasoned salt. I'm gonna cook this separate. I'm gonna have carrots and collard greens. I'm gonna cook some bacon and season that with the bacon with the collard greens. When I tell y'all I forgot to record it, but this is my second plate, but my pot roast came out delicious. The corn, I put cinnamon, sugar, honey, because I didn't have any brown sugar. And then also I use regular sugar. Collard greens, I cooked some bacon, put that in there, let it cook down, and then once they got done, I put the collard green can on top of it. Baby, let me see. Yeah, it's cold. Cause I took me a break and went outside and went to the swimming pool. But when I tell you, that pot roast is motherfucking fire. I ain't got no lie to tell you. Now it did. I had to let it cook for about. It was a total of 6 hours, and it came out really good, really good. I'm proud of myself. So I'm gonna tell you, whatever you have at home, use what you got at home. For real. See how that fell off the bone? Mm-hmm. And like I said, it had to cook for 6 hours. Because I checked on it every hour. Then after that, like after 2, I think it was like 3:30, I just said, forget it, I'm going to stop. So around about 6 o'clock, I checked on it one more time. And it came out. I had 2 forks and I pulled them apart. Chef's kiss. Yes. Oh, and I forgot my little cocktail that I had. It's Jameson with strawberry lemonade, blueberries with strawberry.